Why, hello there. I'll be looking at Nasdaq. So first things first, we mark out our zones on the chart, right? So this right here is my trading view. It's as simple as that. I'm on the weekly time frame. I mark out my zones where the market touches, it reverses or it reacts, right? So thus far, still good, right? And this one here, cool. We go down to the daily. So from the daily, you can see that Nasdaq is playing in this area. It's playing in this area, right? Because as soon as it broke out from this zone, it broke out. You can say it came back and retested, but yeah, it's playing in this area regardless. Gave us this move to here. So from there, we can expect the push to come back here to give us the retest to push and break this zone. Because of looking at previous history, you see it's repeating itself. It first breaks, right? Breaks, comes there, comes, you see, almost touches, breaks out. Me, okay, this middle one we can ignore, but it's a zone, also strong zone. Came, you see, played around this area, and then it eventually touched way here. See, broke this one, touched, then it moved, breaking this one as well. So that's what I am waiting for, because as you can see, it didn't really touch there. So we can expect some kind of rejection on this zone here. So that's why I'm saying the sells are there, but also the buys, ne? We have to be strategic with the buys as well. Okay, let me just remove these. Okay, go and push into the 4 hour time frame. So now this is how we will catch the buys. I'm gonna draw my trend line from here. Why is it black? I don't know. Still here. Yeah, there. See, like so. Correct. Still fine thus far. You can even tweak it and bring it, make it touch the, and then like so. Still solid, right? Cool. As we can see that it's still in this channel, uptrending channel, you see. So buys are also advisable because of, as you can see there, it's rejecting from this previous zone, support area here. See, rejecting, it's rejecting. So our buys we can wait for them to break this point here. We can just wait for it to break, maybe bits, come maybe give us a small retest and push, and maybe wait for themselves to the upside. Because why? Also confirming them double top on that resistance there. See? Cool. Also, what can what can happen as well is breakout, retest either here or here. This is also valid. See? And that's about it. See? And this is like the 4 hour. You know, once you're on the 4 hour, that's when you should know which you're cooking something. See? See, you're seeing this large candlestick here. This large candlestick engulfing like 4 5 candlesticks to the upside, but we can't enter as yet because of it closed below. We can wait for it to close above, give us a young retest, maybe on the 30 minute, 15 minute, then we can buy up to there. We buy, you see, we buy up to there, buy up to here, as you can see. Also, once it breaks out, retests there, we buy, we sell, we sell to this, so you see, hope that makes sense. Then on to the next one. Same story with USDT, higher time frame on the weekly. We mark out our zones. We mark out our zones right there. I feel like for USDT that's about it. Okay, maybe even this one here. So if you guys are wondering on which broker I use HFM. I use HFM markets. What I love about it, it has a cents account. So lay sharp for abantu abangaphathi imali ezibhaya. You understand? So yeah, I'd highly recommend it, but also I'm advising you from my personal experience. If you want to copy me, you should consult nabantu qualified. Tenasiko qualified. We just come here and share the knowledge. Do you mess with the knowledge or not? Anyway, back to the charts. Also here you see on USDT, we can expect the buys to come in from there. Expect the buys there, then catch the sells coming back to the below side. See? Because why? There's a zone there. See, and you can't just pass the zone. See, same story. I told you, Gucci. This thing is simple. We got that rejection on the 2 hour. See, it rejected. So what we can wait for is like a close up above this zone here. A close. If we get a candlestick close there, we're entering our buys. See, target the top side there. And then we wait for a confirmation up here to see if we can take the sells as well. And that's the 2 hour. German deity. Okay, we have gold. Okay, gold is simple. Gold is just simple. Just focused on these areas here. So yeah, as I was saying, the broker that I use is HFM. It is a good spread and it's same time, not same day withdrawal, same time withdrawal. Minimum deposit is $100, and I feel like we can all afford $100, man. And if it's money going to something that will like build you and for your future. Because of as much as also doing this, we don't want to be doing it forever. We want to get our monies and slice. You understand? Also, I'm not saying that you need one big score. I'm saying you don't need to do it forever, but don't rush the process. and you end up finding yourself taking unnecessary trades, leading to unnecessary losses. You let your wins compound. Don't be in a rush to be like, I need the money now, and those things. No, it's not. If you are desperate, this is not for you, because it will definitely chow your money. Data will lie or sugarcoat or anything. It will chow your money, and that will be it. So onto gold. As you can see, gold is in this channel. But I don't feel like it will get all the way here. But if it does, then that's okay. But I feel like from here, market open, take our buys from here, this zone here. Take our buys, target this zone. See? And then we ate. We fine. This is the 2 hour. Take our buys because why? It already rejected, and it's rejecting as well. That's the 1 hour. As you can see, fake breakout, come back inside, retest the zone, move. See? And one thing about gold, if you are buying, don't be too quick to put your take profit. You can put on your stop loss, but if it's buying, don't put in your take profit. You'll thank me one day. Okay, German 30 is quite simple as well. These are our zones here. There's one D, there's one D, there's one here. I think that's about it. Go to the daily. And you know, with only these moves, this past week, man, it was a good week. German 30, you can ask around. German 30 sales this past week. Emanyana. Anyway, moving right along. Okay, there's our zone there. Right? Okay, focusing on this market right now. This one. Focusing on this. It's consolidating. You can clearly see that it's consolidating. But doesn't mean when it's consolidating you can't trade it. Doesn't mean when it's consolidating you can't trade it. But it's also risky trading when trading a chart when it's consolidating. Okay, so my view. So yeah, man, guys, tell me what you think I should name this series. Should I name it My View? And then I drop maybe every weekend, depending Sunday or Saturday. Yeah, man, I want to start like movement of people just coming along and showing each other ideas and stuff. Yeah, showing each other ideas and stuff. And then yeah, man, do something that will benefit our future. Do something that will benefit our future, man. Yeah, man, singahlangana nezinto ezidizi kuphela, man. Sihlangane nangezinto ezisharp zokufakela imali. Yeah? So as you can see, German 30, as simple as that. Nice retest, nice break of structure, retest, sales. As I was saying, this week it was selling German 30. So come on. check out the link in my description. HFM, it also has a special, not a special, a competition where you could win prizes. So yeah, man, just check it out, man. I'll just leave the link down below. Same day withdrawals, same time withdrawals. There's a cent account which is good for like abantu abanganayo capital buyer. Obviously into standard and whatever. That's fine. It has good spreads. Its spread is like 0.02. So it's a solid spread. Minimum deposit $100. See you outside. See you on the inside. Whatever the outro may be. Yeah, man. Have a good one. Sisonke. It's all love. Peace.